Have you ever considered investing in the British American tobacco stock? In the world of investing, understanding a company's potential is crucial. That's where we come in. Today we're taking a close look at a giant in the tobacco industry, the British American Tobacco Company, renowned for its robust portfolio of products and a global footprint that spans over 200 markets worldwide. But what makes this company particularly intriguing for investors is its status as a dividend aristocrat. For those unfamiliar with the term, a dividend aristocrat is a company that has increased its dividend payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. Yes, you heard it right, 25 years. This speaks volumes about the company's stability and commitment to rewarding its shareholders. As we navigate the intriguing labyrinth of investing, we'll be analyzing the British American tobacco stock, its performance, future prospects, and the pros and cons of investing in it. Stay tuned as we delve into the nitty-gritty of the British American tobacco stock. British American Tobacco, a name that echoes in the corridors of the tobacco industry. Born at the dawn of the 20th century, in the year 1902, this British multinational company has painted a legacy of resilience and growth that's hard to overlook. Starting as a joint venture between the UK's Imperial Tobacco Company and the American Tobacco Company of the United States, the company quickly expanded its roots across the globe. By the mid-20th century, British American Tobacco had already established a strong foothold in over 50 countries, a testament to its dynamic growth strategy. Over the years, the company has continued to grow, not just in size but in influence. It has acquired and developed a portfolio of some of the most popular and widely recognized tobacco brands in the world. Names such as Dunhill, Lucky Strike and Pall Mall, to name a few, are all under the British American Tobacco umbrella. In the 21st century, the company has adapted to the changing landscape of the tobacco industry, embracing innovation and diversification. It has ventured into the realm of potentially reduced-risk products, including vaping and heated tobacco. This has allowed British American Tobacco to stay relevant and competitive in an industry that is constantly evolving. Today, British American Tobacco stands as the second-largest tobacco company in the world by net sales, with operations in over 180 countries. It is a company that has weathered the storms of economic downturns, regulatory challenges, and changing consumer preferences, yet it has managed to maintain its prominence. This company's rich history, coupled with its ability to adapt and innovate, has cemented its place as a major player in the global tobacco industry. It's a company that continues to shape the industry, leaving an indelible mark with every puff. With such a rich history and strong presence, one might wonder about the performance of its stock. Now let's turn our attention to the performance of the British American Tobacco stock. Over the years, British American Tobacco has proven itself to be a solid performer in the market. The company's shares have seen a steady upward trajectory, showcasing its ability to generate consistent returns for its shareholders. This growth is a testament to the company's strong business model and its efficient management team. But the real star of the show here is the company's dividends. British American Tobacco is a proud member of the Dividend Aristocrats, an exclusive club of companies that have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. This is no small feat, and it speaks volumes about the company's commitment to rewarding its shareholders. The company's dividend yield has consistently outperformed the market average, making it an attractive option for income-focused investors. In the last 5 years alone, the dividend yield has hovered around a healthy 6 to 7%. This is significantly higher than the average yield of the broader market, which typically sits around 2%. This high yield is backed by the company's robust cash flows, which have remained strong even in the face of challenging market conditions. This demonstrates the company's ability to sustain its dividends even during tough times, a key trait of a true dividend aristocrat. However, it's important to remember that past performance is not always indicative of future results. While British American Tobacco has a strong track record, it's crucial to consider other factors such as the company's financial health, the state of the tobacco industry, and broader market trends when evaluating its stock. In the case of British American Tobacco, the company's strong brand portfolio, its geographic diversification, and its ongoing efforts to innovate in the face of industry challenges all bode well for its future performance. But as with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's important to do your due diligence before making a decision. Impressive as it is, the past performance is just one piece of the puzzle. What about the future? Investing is about looking forward, so what does the future hold for the British American tobacco stock? Let's first consider the broad market trends. The tobacco industry, despite facing significant challenges, has shown remarkable resilience. With evolving consumer behavior, companies are being pushed to innovate and diversify their product range. British American Tobacco, for instance, has been making strides in expanding its potentially reduced risk products portfolio, which includes e-cigarettes and heated tobacco products. This is not just a response to changing consumer preferences, but also a strategic move to keep up with regulatory pressures worldwide. Now let's delve into the company's future plans. The management has elucidated a clear vision for the future. They aim to generate more than half of their revenue from non-combustible products by 2030. A lofty goal indeed, but they're already making progress towards it. In recent years, they've significantly increased their spending on research and development, and their investments in next-generation products have started to pay off. However, it's not all rosy. There are potential challenges on the horizon. Regulatory risks are a constant threat in the tobacco industry. Governments around the world are implementing stricter regulations on tobacco products, which could impact profitability. Additionally, societal attitudes towards smoking are changing, and the stigma associated with tobacco products continues to grow. This could potentially affect the demand for British American Tobacco's products in the future. Another concern is the company's high debt levels. While they have managed it well so far, it does add an element of risk. Any unforeseen circumstances that affect their cash flow could put pressure on their ability to service this debt. In the world of investing, the future is never certain, and British American Tobacco is no exception. However, with a clear strategy in place, a commitment to innovation and a solid track record, the company seems well positioned to navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities the future holds. While the future holds promising prospects, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before making an investment decision. So, stay tuned as we delve into the advantages and disadvantages of investing in British American Tobacco in the next segment. Every investment comes with its set of pros and cons. The British American Tobacco stock is no exception. Let's start with the advantages. British American Tobacco, or BAT as it's commonly known, holds a significant place in the market. It's a Dividend Aristocrat, a title given to companies that have consistently increased their dividend payouts for at least 25 years. This shows a certain level of financial strength and sustainability. It means that as an investor, you can expect a steady stream of income from your investment, which is a great advantage for those who prioritize consistent returns. Now, let's flip the coin and examine the other side. The industry in which BAT operates is highly regulated and faces significant market risks. Governments worldwide are continually implementing stricter regulations on tobacco products. These regulations can impact the company's profitability, and in turn, its ability to maintain its Dividend Aristocrat status. Additionally, the popularity of smoking is declining globally, which could lead to a decrease in the company's revenues over time. Another important point to consider is the ethical aspect of investing in tobacco companies. Some investors may be uncomfortable profiting from an industry associated with health issues and addiction. While this doesn't impact the financial performance of the stock, it's a personal consideration that you might want to take into account. Finally, like any other stock, BAT is subject to market volatility. This means that the value of your investment can go up or down based on market conditions, and there's always a risk of losing your principal. However, it's worth noting that historically, BAT has demonstrated a level of resilience to market downturns, which can be a comforting factor for risk-averse investors. Armed with this knowledge, you are now better equipped to make an informed investment decision. Investing in stocks like British American Tobacco requires careful consideration and thorough analysis. We've delved into the company's background, explored its stock performance, and weighed its future prospects. As a Dividend Aristocrat, this stock has a history of consistently increasing dividends, a definite plus for income-focused investors. However, it's also important to balance this with some of the challenges the company may face, such as ever-tightening regulations and shifting consumer habits. Remember, while this analysis provides a solid starting point, it's crucial to conduct your personal research and seek advice from a financial advisor. Investing is not a one-size-fits-all game, and what works for one investor might not necessarily work for another. It's all about understanding your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy investing! The information provided in this video or communication is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. The content is based on general principles and may not be applicable to your specific financial situation or needs. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, accountant, attorney, or other professional before making any financial decisions or taking any actions related to your finances. Any investments or financial decisions you make are solely your responsibility. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and there are no guarantees of any specific outcomes or returns. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the information provided, we do not warrant or guarantee its accuracy, reliability, or suitability for your individual circumstances. We do not endorse or promote any specific investment products, services, or strategies mentioned in this video or communication. Any references to such products, services, or strategies are for illustrative purposes only, and do not constitute a recommendation or endorsement. You should conduct your own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions. In summary, this video or communication is not financial advice, and you should not rely on it as such. It is essential to seek professional advice tailored to your specific financial situation and goals before making any financial decisions or taking any actions.